What's up, Benebabes? It's Claire here, and welcome to another month of Benefit Club Pink. Before we get started, a quick thank you to all of you who entered last month's contest. I gotta say, happy looks good on all of you. Calling all mascara lovers. This month is all about our best-selling Benefit mascaras. In this month's box, you'll be receiving They're Real, Roller Lash, and BADgal BANG. Whether it's lengthening, curling, or volumizing, we've got you covered. There's a mascara in there for every lash. Our They're Real mascara is what started it all. With this mascara, you can see lifted and lengthened lashes. I also love to use the custom dome tip to separate each lash. Who needs falsies when you've got They're Real? For those of you tired of using a lash curler, say no more. Roller Lash gives you curled lashes with our hook and roll brush, making it easier than ever to curl those lashes. Last but not least, BADgal BANG. This volumizing mascara gives you out-of-this-world lashes. With our innovative slim packed brush, you can reach corner to corner, root to tip. Trust me, no lash will be left behind. Don't be afraid to mix and match or wear them on their own. For this month's contest, we're asking you to show us your Benefit lashes on Instagram or YouTube. Be sure to include the product hashtag, #BenefitClubPink, and don't forget to tag us. On YouTube, be sure to include the name, link to shop, product hashtag, and #BenefitClubPink. We've got an exciting prize for you this month, so you definitely don't want to miss out. One winner will be randomly selected to receive 2 tickets to Sephoria in September. You and a friend can go check out all the event has to offer and walk away with the juicy swag bag. As always, don't forget to keep up on your 2 monthly brow posts on Instagram or YouTube using the hashtags BenefitBrows, BenefitClubPink, and don't forget to tag us. That's it for this month, Benebabes. We'll see you next time. Bye!